In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Outlook emails to Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged in to your Gmail account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings gear icon. From the quick settings panel that appears, click See All Settings at the top. Inside the full settings page, click the Accounts and Import tab from the top navigation menu. Scroll down until you find the Import Mail and Contacts section, then click Import Mail and Contacts. A pop-up window will appear asking for your Outlook email address. Type your Outlook email address into the field and click Continue. You'll then see a confirmation message about launching the Outlook login window. Click Continue again to proceed. A new window will open prompting you to sign in to your Outlook account. Enter your Outlook email address and click Next. Then enter your Outlook password and click Sign In. You'll be asked to grant Gmail permission to access your Outlook data. Click Yes or Agree to approve the access request. Once the message says Authentication Successful, close the Authentication Confirmation tab to return to the Gmail import window. Back in the Import Settings window, you'll see options to choose what you want to import. Select the checkboxes for the items you wish to bring over. You can choose Import Contacts, Import Mail, and Import New Mail for next 30 days if you want Gmail to continue receiving new Outlook messages temporarily. After selecting your preferred options, click Start Import. Gmail will begin importing your selected data in the background. Finally, click OK to complete the setup and close the window. Congratulations.